Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Unplug the charger and remove any connected device so you can test safely. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and output voltage. This shows whether the cable or adapter fails. Inspect connectors under magnification to find hairline breaks or corrosion because visible damage pinpoints the repair. Once done, note whether the fault is cable, plug, or brick so you can choose the correct fix. Splice, replace connector, or open the adapter housing. Now diagnose precisely. You probe along the cord and through the connector, because intermittent faults show as fluctuating continuity when you bend the cable. If the brick is suspect, discharge capacitors and open the housing with care. Replace burnt components or reflow soldered joints where traces lift. For cable repairs, cut at the weakest point, splice with tinned wire, and insulate with heat shrink. This restores mechanical strength and conductivity. Make sure to maintain polarity and shielding. Finish by reassembling with proper strain relief so the repair endures. Use adhesive or molded relief where needed. Test output under a controlled load first because open circuit voltage can mislead. Then confirm device charging and stable voltage under load. If problems persist, swap the cable and adapter to isolate which part still fails, since one failing component can mask the other. If the adapter overheats, emits smoke, or shows unstable voltage, stop and replace the unit. Do not attempt further repairs on damaged main circuitry.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.